Hello there, my name is Aaron and I like to kit bash things out of old toys and model kits. Holy moly, do not tell the other half how much I spent on Amazon Prime Day. It's okay, I have a plan that's going to use most of this, so let's start scratching that build. I have to admit I may have gone overboard as there's more plastic on this bench than I need, but god damn it, those prices were fantastic on Amazon Prime. With the model kits liberated from their boxes, I'll get everything out of the bags to see what I'm working with. To start the mech I need legs, and these matching pair of plain bits will do just the trick. Not even a minute in and I'm begging for subscribers and likes, because that's the kind of guy I am. Watch in awe as a grown man struggles to put two pieces of plastic together. I decide to leave the legs and go to the main body, which will be made from a helicopter. I assembled the legs off screen because it was embarrassing, like I was fumbling around on a first date, so I glued the legs to the body and moved on to the feet. A bad Lego knockoff Bionicle toy will do just the job. I need your jacket and motorcycle. Oh, just your boots then please. I file a groove in the boot so the wings of the feet will sit correctly, and for more stability I add some plasticard on the boots so it stands unaided. I then start filling gaps in the fuselage, which are the legs, with bits of model kit. The knockoff Bionicle toy is proving to be a godsend as I harvest more parts from it. If I extend the arms from the legs, I can use it as the starting point for my mech's arms. It was at this point I had to stop filming because of a commotion outside. Well, you don't see that every day. So while I take a break to powder my nose, here's a shout out to some of my subscribers who leave comments. Keep them coming and I'll put your name in a future video. Also tell me what country you're from so I can judge who's viewing the channel, from where in the world. After cutting the pretend Bionicle down into little pieces, I had to break out the big guns, which is the milliput. I need to make some arms, so decided since I don't use milliput enough, it's time to torture myself. So here's a quick breakdown of milliput. Tear off 2 equal chunks, mash together, then sculpt. It hardens after a few hours. That's basically it really. It's better than clay because you can it strengthens anything that you're going to clamp together inside it. And what I'm doing here is just trying to make a really bad forearm, but this is a mech robot, so it doesn't matter what it looks like. That little piece I had in my hand was from the helicopter, and what I thought was I might try and put some lights into it so it will light up. So this is just something that you put into an empty wine bottle and there you go, it lights it up. And that's the effect that I want to try and have, so it can sort of like its face can light up. So it took an awful lot of time of me threading through all the lights through the mech, simply because I hadn't thought about it and planned it already. But the good news was using the Bionicle skeleton worked, and I could actually pose the arms, well, into limited positions, but still they were poseable. And it was at this point I thought it needed more weapons. This was after I had played Metal Gear Solid Phantom Pain, so you'll probably spot the influence if you're a gamer. The funny thing is, this Bionicle was cheaper than all those model kits and the most used. So pokey ear sticks are cut and used as pipes. Why, I don't hear you ask? Simply because using styrene pipes is twice, 3 times more expensive. I think I'm trying to give the mech an 80s padded shoulders look. What I'm actually doing is building up the shoulders for the weapons it's going to have. Oh yeah, and I can pose his head as well, look at that. Normal mode and then weapon mode when it goes down. So I just start applying some missiles from the various model kits. For some reason I wanted the mech to have swords, so using the propellers from the helicopter I shaped them, then using garden wire I crafted handles. I did a quick test fit to see if the swords would fit in his hands, and yep, they do. Oh, hang on. But yep, there we go. So yeah, so it's on to painting. Or so I thought. I wanted to make a diorama for this bad boy, so just using some sheets of XPS foam, I cut them down and tried to make them into some sort of broken sort of concrete sort of wall. So using a bit of tin foil to give it the texture, and then carefully coating out using a bit of armature wire for the rebar in between the broken XPS foam, which will be concrete. Yeah, I just did light quotes with my fingers, and then just gave it a little bit of this and that, and then went on to the painting of everything. But before I show you all that bit, if you're new to the channel and want to leave a comment, use this code word at the start, so I know you got to this point before skipping, and the code word is Solid Snake. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So it's close to the end. Let's get some points on the board. Glamour shots are next. Keep scratching that build, everybody. Thanks for watching.